Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide notifications on your lock screen on Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your device settings. This is typically found in your app drawer, or you can swipe down from the top of your screen twice and tap the gear icon there. The settings menu is where you can control all aspects of your device's behavior and appearance. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on display and touch. This section controls everything related to how your screen looks and responds, including brightness, screen timeout, and lock screen settings. Next, look for the lock screen option and tap on it. This is where you can customize what appears when your phone is locked, including wallpapers, shortcuts, and importantly for this tutorial, notification settings. Now tap on notifications on lock screen. This setting specifically controls how your notifications behave when your device is locked, giving you options to either show them, or hide sensitive content only. Here you'll see an option that says Show on Lock Screen. Right beside it, you'll notice a toggle button. Go ahead and tap this toggle to turn it off. When you disable this setting, your phone will no longer display any notification content on your lock screen, which is perfect if you want to keep your notifications private from anyone who might glance at your phone. And that's it. You've successfully hidden notifications from appearing on your lock screen. Now when your Pixel is locked, nobody will be able to see your incoming messages, emails, or app notifications without first unlocking your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.